Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. So yesterday we saw, of course, after the FOMC rate decision, we saw, of course, a move a little bit toward the upside, but we mentioned, of course, that we have to be careful. It doesn't look impulsive, it looks very overlapping, and we have invalidation, of course. We got an invalidation here for the current bearish scenario where we have, of course, kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If you have here a wave 4, of course, invalidated somewhere here. And we said, okay, but we did not invalidate yet the big 1, 2, 3. And then potentially wave 4 here might be something else unfolding. Yeah, so we did not invalidate it yet, right? So, and we saw, of course, move toward the downside. Now the rate decision came in, but we might, of course, proceed the move towards the downside, as I mentioned, and that's why we have our targets here. And I said yesterday that be careful right now, we might range for a longer time and sideways in this area. And here we go. So this is what we got, of course, from yesterday analysis. We were here and we said potentially we're gonna revisit, this target. Why is this target? Because 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So expect today, of course, a little bit of green, but expect to revisit even the 1-to-1 fib level at 19K379 actually. Yeah. So these are the insights internally. What I'm looking for, even in a bigger view right now, what would happen if we are in 3 ways up, 3 ways down, and then potentially, we potentially move even for higher here in a wave C, meaning of course A B and a C. That would be a very long correction and would be a decisive correction regarding to this move toward the downside. In this case, of course, we are looking at a 1 2 1 2 and then 3 4 5 4 and a 5 potentially not finished yet. If this is a wave 5 toward the downside, let's say, and it is a 1 2, and you have your 1 2 again 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5. Now don't forget that your invalidation or potential for bullish, because it's gonna also invalidate the big wave 1 2 or double 1 2, is this price 20K 100. If this wave moves towards the 20K 100, therefore, okay guys, then we have to shift here to WXY, which is already given. Already given, already there, ready in case of invalidation. If we take those prices, 90K 900 and 20K 100, this is a very critical price for bullish, of course, meaning reversal for the market, turning into 3-wave corrective and continuation for the market for higher prices. Very simple. There is nothing simple than this. If we move a little bit bigger this time, as you can see, we started low to the big, meaning what it's gonna happen, it might be 3 waves down for a W, 3 waves up for an X here, 3 waves down for a W again. Yep. And this might finish this correction and continuation toward the upside. Very simple equation, I would say, right? So yes, this is what we are looking for on the daily, as we see here. W, X, and a Y finishing here, meaning a big, of course, ABC zigzag here, and then WXY, we're finished, and we're moving toward the upside, reversing the market. Unless, of course, if we don't get the invalidation this area, I would like to see the price getting to this area, with the green candles, of course. If not, then continuation toward the downside, guys. Whatever it happens here, whatever it happens in this area under the 19K 500 20K, we're still aiming for lower, guys. Whatever it's gonna happen, I mean, whatever is gonna happen is it might be very choppy. This is what I mean. On a daily basis, we are, of course, here in this move toward the upside, where we have potentially 1 2 3, and you're looking for a wave 4, potentially this WX and Y is your wave 4, and then continuation for a wave 5. Very simply, wave 5 to finish, of course, in a bigger view again, a bigger impulse, which is the following. And you have a wave 3 here in a bigger view. So let's move to the 2 weeks here. So we are in a wave 3 and wave 4, and currently we are in a wave 5. For a wave 3 in the blue. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Great. So this, of course, is gonna finish like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if it is a short impulse. Therefore, yeah, we're gonna call it, of course, a short wave 5, and we're gonna seek potentially for a wave 4. Now, maybe this can turn, of course, for double 1, 2 here, and then 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, potentially, but to be estimated later. Yeah. So that was it for Nasdaq. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. Watch the level, of course, that we spoke about it in the 1 hour. See you in the next one. Bye bye.